You know it's that time again, right?
I know, but look at how ugly he is. Look at that one with the red eyes. Oy, look at these. Oh, these are ugly. Ugh. Those are creepy and ugly. I like that one. What else is here? We are at Tractor Supply in these candles, what are these? Oh, they are. Oh, those are nice. Look at the designs. They have candles, babe.
Oh my God.
Tell me about it. Oh, look at these. Oh, these are cute with the little hats. Oh my God. Look at. Oh, look at that. Oh, wait, babe, I'm taking. Yeah, I want. Look at them. How weird the light comes out red. They're ducks? I thought they were chickens.
Don't you go by the beakers?
Oh, look at those black ones. What are those? Chickens too?
These are all chickens. The yellow ones are ducks.
Oh, I never seen black ones. Huh.